Welcome to Summit Mechanical Services Limited, your trusted air conditioning specialists. Here to keep you cool and comfortable. At Summit, we understand the importance of a reliable climate control system. Whether it's routine maintenance for your appliances or a full-scale air conditioning installation, our highly trained team ensures excellence in every service, for all equipment makes and types. Our professionals are not just skilled, they are masters of their craft, constantly updating their knowledge to provide you with unparalleled service that's both cost-effective and friendly. Every space is unique, and so are your needs. That's why we offer bespoke solutions. From the initial consultation to the final selection, we tailor our air conditioning, ventilation, and refrigeration services to fit your requirements without breaking the bank. Your satisfaction is our guarantee. We serve a diverse clientele, providing money-saving solutions without compromising on quality. Summit Mechanical Services Limited is your partner for outstanding refrigeration and air conditioning services. Our expertise in air conditioning is vast. From high-efficiency systems for residential spaces to fully integrated solutions for large projects, we align with top manufacturers, ensuring your investment is protected by full warranties and our dedicated maintenance. Service and maintenance are at the heart of longevity for your systems. Our certified technicians are equipped to handle comprehensive contracts, keeping your equipment in peak condition, adhering to the highest environmental standards. For large-scale installations, Summit's experience shines. We design and implement systems that are both efficient and financially viable, ensuring your comfort is never compromised. From wall-mounted units for ease, floor-standing units for convenience, to outdoor units that blend efficiency with discretion, and ducted systems for a seamless look, we have an option to suit every need. Ventilation systems require skillful integration, and we excel in providing bespoke solutions that overcome design challenges, enhance efficiency, and work harmoniously with your existing services. Choose Summit Mechanical Services Limited. Let our expertise bring comfort and efficiency to your environment. Stay cool, stay efficient, stay with Summit. Thank you for watching.